Before we enter into the sutras, you should all become Anandeshwaris. You should enter into that consciousness. Unless you become Anandeshwari, you can't understand the words of Shiva. In Greek, one great philosopher was there. He went to a monastery to learn, but the monastery guru told him, now 3 months you have to meditate, only then we will come inside. We will let you come inside. We will allow you inside. After that time you can start learning with us. This guy was shocked. I just want to learn. Further, why should I meditate? They said, no, this is our rule. Meditate for 3 months. Only then we will let you in. Otherwise we can't teach you. He went on, argued. He was arguing. No, for learning, why should I meditate? Finally they said, no, you have to meditate. Either meditate and come in and learn, or get lost. Anyhow, he meditated for 3 months. After that, he entered the monastery, studied. After studying, he makes a statement. If I was not forced to meditate before entering into the monastery, before entering into my study, I would have become mad. Because it is too much. This is too much. Shastra is the essence of knowledge. That is why they say, if you think all the Vedas as a cow and all the Upanishads as a milk, Gita is a butter. Vedas themselves are the essence of knowledge, and that gist is Upanishad. That gist is Gita, but Gita itself is only a Shastra. The essence of Shastra is Stotra, and essence of Stotra is Tantra. It is so subtle. If you don't meditate before entering into Tantra, it will be too much on you. You can't digest. If you take some too hard food, if you suddenly start eating this much of butter without having the digestion capacity, what will happen? Either you will have diarrhea or vomiting. So before entering into sutras, before entering into Tantra, let you all enter into Anandeshwari consciousness. Let you all become Devi, so that the Shiva can descend. Let's all become Devi literally. We will do the meditation of Shakti Dharana, allowing Shakti to descend on us, letting Shiva to happen to our being. To become Devi, you don't need to do anything. You have to drop all you are doing, that's all. Nothing else. You just have to drop all you are doing. You neither need to do something, nor need to undo something. No. Just all you need to do is drop all doing. To become Devi, you don't need anything to be done. You just need to drop all your doings. First, we will all sit in a special mandala, the circle. Then, I'll give the instruction. We'll enter into Devihood, Anandeshwari, consciousness. First listen the instruction. Important instruction. We are going to create empty space, passive energy, yoni, so that the linga can descend, that Shiva can descend, the active energy can descend, divine can descend. The moment you create a passive energy, emptiness, you will be filled with divine consciousness. If you can just become Anandeshwari, simply Anandeshwara will descend. This is the technique to bring the divine to our being. Actually, if you become nobody, simply the divine will descend on you. As long as you are somebody, nothing can happen. The moment you become nobody, the divine will descend on you. Ready? Tie the ribbon. Visualize yourself as Anandeshwari. Forget your name, forget your form, forget your identity. Don't even remember you are male or female. Just start feeling you are Devi. Later on you can start the meditation. Now first start feeling, visualizing you are Devi. மனமார உங்களை தேவியாகவே நினையுங்கள், பராசக்தியாகவே நினையுங்கள். பராசக்தி உங்களுக்குள் இருப்பதை ஆழ்ந்து உணருங்கள். உடல் தேவிமயமாக பராசக்திமயமாக இருப்பதை உணருங்கள். Visualize and experience you become Devi. Take few minutes and clearly visualize you become the passive energy, mother energy, to receive Shiva. You became Om. Let you become Uma so that Shiva can happen in you. We always played only the active role, Shiva's role. Now became Uma. Now just became Uma. Shiva will happen. Later on you can start the meditation. Now only visualize you are Uma. உங்களை தேவியாகவே தெளிவாக உணருங்கள். Start doing Shakti Dharana. Start the meditation. தியானத்தை துவங்குங்கள். உங்களுக்குள் ஆனந்தேஸ்வரன் சத்குருநாதன் முழுமையாக இறங்குவதை உணருங்கள். Feel the Anandeshwara, the ultimate master, our own beloved master, is descending on you. Just become home. He will descend on you. Start the meditation. Start the Shakti Dharana. When you feel you are full, just bend and kiss the hands and relax into the existence. If you have done at least 7 times, then sit with closed eyes. ஏற்கனவே 7 முறை செய்தவர்கள்